Hello and welcome back to another video on Login Helps. Today we're going to be teaching you how you can view your saved posts on Instagram. But before getting started, don't forget to support our channel by hitting the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, head on over to your Instagram application. Now, the first thing you're going to see when you open your Instagram application is obviously your home feed. Now, go ahead to your profile by tapping on the profile icon that appears on the bottom right corner of your screen. Over here on your profile, you'll be able to see on the top right corner there's a 3-barred menu. So if you tap on it, you'll be able to see the saved option. Tap on it. Now all your posts that have been saved and all your albums that you have saved it to will appear under this page. So to view your saved posts, simply tap on it and you'll be able to see all the posts that you saved on your Instagram app. It's as simple as that. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.